all these point of views if you all want the panel members. And AI enables you to do that because AI is only as biased as the person who trained the model, right? So you have to make sure that the data that you use for training AI is unbiased. And you can continuously improve the AI model to make it unbiased. So you can explicitly look for bias in AI models. And in fact, it's a terrific way to test culture, as you know, Dotton is obviously leading the charge in non-technical or non-obvious skill outlook through AI. But that idea that you can tell the culture of both a company and an individual and how they fit into that company or that team using machine learning, using AI is actually a very powerful idea. Fundamentally, what machine learning does is it actually learns from experience and data. So you can give it a rich set of data and experiences, and in many ways create the most unbiased thing. I mean, it's still biased by the data, but it's at least unbiased in the sense that you've given it a diversity, richness of data, and it's not making a decision based on itself, but rather what it's seen in the past, and it's constantly improving. I think that's the opportunity of AI in talent management.